go tshela mollwane ka mo go se go molaong go gare go tšwela pele tšatši ka tšatši. Magologolo a badudi bao ba senago mangwalo a maleba ba šwatlhela ka Afrika Borwa tšatši ka tšatši. Se se dirwa le ge go na le melao ya malebana le COVID-19. Ditiragalo tše bjalo go letetše gore di golele godimo mo nakong ya maikhutšo a Keresemose.
As for the illegal crossing, that has always been there, and obviously my ministry and his ministry, we will try and do our utmost to ensure that we curb or minimize.
We have already acceded in South Africa that we have got porous borders. That we've been debated again and again and again. What we can do here is our best. One of the things we agreed on, I agree you are saying criminality cannot be stopped by encouragement. But it's important to communicate with our people. We agreed that we are going to up our communication from the beginning of December for people to know that the fact that the borders are now open does not mean that it's free for all.
Bobedi Tona tše di tshwetše ka mare ditiragalo tšeo di golelago godimo tša go hlaselwa ga dilori ka nageng.
We actually regard this as economic sabotage. That the fact that I'm angry, I'm going to fight. And I must state, much as the criminality is not acceptable, the truck drivers must also take responsibility, because some of the issues that the people mention, which not truck drivers, the truck owners, the trucking companies, must also take responsibility, because it's their businesses, this one. So it cannot only be the state that cares about their businesses.
Maano a go matlafatša metheo go parara ka mollwaneng go dinaga tše ka bobedi a gare a tšwela pele.